Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 8th episode of Avenues of the Diamond. Grabe, nasa 8th episode na tayo. And as far as I know, parang 16 episode tong series na to na ating nire-review. And grabe, from the previous episode, alam kong excited na kayo, kaya ito na. Simulan na natin in 3, 2, 1. And by the way, bawal to sa mga bata ha. So, sa mga minors dyan, make sure na hindi nyo to pinanood. Kahit alam ko mga nabasa nyo to. Grabe. Huwag nyo tong gagawin sa totoong buhay. Yun lang. So, eto na siya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alam niyo yung feeling na akala ko yung Guyana Wild. Akala ko. Kasi, eto na oh. So, eto na siya. Oh my God. Like, it's freaking happening. Like, hoy. Teka lang. Ito na yung car scene. Alam kong daming nag-antay nito. My God. Saan ang kamay mo, Clyden? Grabe, Sama. On top. Oh my God. Yes, Clyden? Kinakaya mo ba ba? My God, wala akong masabi. Like, moms. Ang wild ni Sam. Turn around. Grabe, hindi ko kabisado yung mga lines dito, pero bakit kayo kabisado nyo? Bakit parang nagsasayaw si Sam? Grabe yung alog ah. Patay! Tinted. Nakakaloka. Hay, ate naman.
Aren't you thrilled? Aren't you? It's your first time, right? Yeah. But my goal is not to make you feel like it's my first time.
Yes, Aubrey. Ba't wala akong masabi? My God, umaalog yung kotse.
Dapat sa April. Since April din naman namin siya ginawa.
Yes, alam na alam.
Yeah, April. I love that name. Her second name could be related to the sky. What do you think?
Avril.
Haven? Yana, that's so beautiful. She has her parents' initials.
E.H.
April Haven. Uy! Sumipa! Hindi! Gusto rin niya yung pangalan. Sige, decided na ako. Para kahit man lang sa pangalan maging parte si Hiro ng anak namin.
Aww.
April Haven. Tita Nina will spoil you. Tita Nina? Yeah, why not? Sige na nga.
Ito na yung pagpapakilala ni Arkin. Nakakaloka. Ang galing lang kasi nakikita talaga natin kung ano yung nasa book. Like, hindi tayo binibigo ni Derek Gino and the cinematography. Grabe.
Of course.
Savvy, being savvy.
Guys, si Naomi nga pala. My sister. Hello. Nice to friends ko yan. Sabi, si Dia, si Luna. Mabait yung mga yan. Are you okay? Yan. Si Clyden. My boyfriend. Ha?
Si Savvy.
Ako si Dia. Ang cute niyo. Sana hindi kayo maghiwalay. Ay, naku, Bea, narinig ko na yan eh. Sabi mo huwag maghiwalay, tapos naghiwalay kami. Malas.
Saan malas si Bea? Ikaw yung malas, Luna. Sabi nga pala, pre.
Yan na naman.
Pwede.
Siya yung kasayaw eh. Luna, by the way.
I'm Clyden. Nice to meet you all. Formal naman, pre.
Ganda ka.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Uy! Ay! Sorry, nalate ako ng konti lang. Ay.
Boyfriend ko.
Oh. Hi, bro. Kailan mo na siguro, di na ako kilala.
Wow.
Wow, sino ka ba?
Kita kilala.
Hindi kita kilala.
That's Arkin. One of my high school friends.
King Sanchez, bro. Clyden. Hindi ka ba familiar sa song ko? No?
No.
Or ito ba? Kasalay na to. Kulang pa ba? Kulang pa ba ako sa'yo? Isa sa mga famous line ko kasi yun sa movie ko. Hindi mo napanood? No? Hindi? Or hindi, ito ba? Baka familiar nga dito. Refresh. Commercial yan ngayon. Hindi mo na, ang daanan man lang sa TV. Hindi ako nanonood ng TV. Kaya naman pala eh. Manood ka, masaya sa TV bro. May mga balita minsan. Tapos,
Makikita. Sige, kaya mo yan, Arkin.
tulog ka. Puro katawa din. Wala ito na. Bubo mo, nagpahiya ka lang pre.
Okay. Guys, we're complete na. Sayang na, hindi makapunta si Yana at Te. Siya, let's go na. Kailangan nang dumating mga kids. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Christmas tree. Doon na lang. Dati, akala ko ang Pasko ay puro pagkain at regalo lang. Pero ngayon, na-realize ko na may mas malalim pa pala tong kahulugan. Ang tunay na nagpapasaya ng Pasko ay yung mga kasama mo. Kaya masaya ako ngayon na makasama kayong lahat ngayong Pasko. At sana, maging happy memory ang araw na to para sa inyong lahat. At tuwing babalikan nyo to, maalala nyo deserve nyo ang lahat ng saya, ligaya, at pagmamahal sa mundo. At para mas lalo pa tayong sumaya, may inihandang special dance ng Kuya Arkin at Kuya Sam para sa inyong lahat.
Nice one, Sevi.
Share nyo sila, Arkin! Ayan, Kuya Arkin! Kuya Sabi!
Ay, ano? Tara sumali ka. Yan, sumasaya ka yung may artista tayong kasama. Artista tayong kasama. Siya na bahala.
Siya na bahala. May artista tayong kan.
Sundan niyo lang ako. Sundan niyo lang ako.
Uy, Sevi. Nakakaloka. Pero dito niya nararamdaman yung height difference nilang tatlo. I mean, yung ideal talaga natin is parang magkakasing tangkad sila nila Clyden. Pero, life happens. Cute naman sila. Kasi ang tangkad ng dalawa, oh. Tapos si, medyo maliit ng konti. Oo, pang. Sana nun pa nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob si Sam, no? Para
Oh, this is for you. Ma, teka. Okay? Ganit, smile mo na dun sa camera. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ate Sam. You're welcome.
Wait,
Yeah, cute.
I'll speak up.
ito yata yung batang kinausap nila.
Hi. Tara, punta tayo dun.
Nahihiya pa ako eh.
What? You're shy? Balik lang ako. Wait lang. I'll get you something. Wait. Excuse me, Luna? Okay. Oh, here. This is my gift for you.
Thank you po, Kuya.
You're welcome. Oh, open it.
Alam niyo dati gusto ko, hindi. Up until now, I want an older sister or brother. Pero I preferred brother kasi parang sobrang secured and sobrang protective nila to the point na gusto ko din gawin sa akin yun nung
So proud.
ko, kuya or ate ko. That's why nung high school ako, ang dami kong kuya and ate. Pero we're on the same age. Ewan ko lang.
How'd you talk with Naomi?
She agreed to see a therapist.
That's nice.
Yeah. Mom set up a dinner with both of our families. Para saan kaya to?
Really? Hindi ko rin alam eh. I don't know.
Yung nanay talaga niya, panira talaga ng mood na eh.
Graduation ni Sam at the clerkship ni Clyden. After that, we can now finally set the wedding for these two. And during the wedding, I will announce Clyden's inheritance. to our
Just
family
like
business.
yung mga damita ni... Pero iconic talaga yung damita ni yung ni Yana kasi lahat red. Nakakatuwa, red and blue lang. Pero dito kasi more on pastel, pero pink. More on pink. Kasi favorite color ni Sam yung pink.
Pero mas magaling ako sa kanya. I deserve the inheritance. Ako yung panganay.
In which aspect? No? In which aspect are you better than me? Huh?
No.
Gusto ko naman.
Isa-isahin ko pa ba?
Go.
Kinuha mo ng lahat ng dapat ay sa akin. Hospital,
Stop.
Kung better ka, bakit hindi ikaw yung nasa posisyon ni
Ano? Masarap ba ang tiyatira ko? Kinatod, you dare talk about Samantha like that. You're the one who fucked up your own life. Tapos yun, isisisi mo sa iba?
Manners, please.
Enough,
I'm
enough.
really sorry about this.
Pasensya na kayo.
Hindi ka nagtatampi naman na.
Harsh.
Excuse me. That's enough.
I'm sorry.
Excuse us. Excuse us.
Sobrang chaotic ng family. Woohoo! Tense up. I'm glad nandito si Naomi.
Naomi, please go to your room.
Di man lang nakakain, di pa nga sila kumakain. My God!
Are you okay, sweetheart? Oh my God, that family is so chaotic.
I know, right?
Kung hindi lang talaga natin sila kailangan, right now, right then and there talaga kanina pa, I would have pulled you out of that engagement.
What? Why do we need that?
Homie, just in case anything happens to us, you need Clyden. With Clyden, your future's gonna be secure.
Nakakaloka naman. Need him.
Sorry.
The hell with that fucking inheritance. Kung ganun niya kagusto, edi,
Sa kanya na.
pa sa kanya na. Love, I'm tired. I'm tired for always receiving shit. For putting hard work in everything that I did. Do I deserve nothing? Should I always be considerate to those fuckers who did nothing? Made my life a living hell.
You deserve everything good in this world now.
You're the only good thing in this world.
Hmm. Sana all.
Despite everything, marami pa rin good things sa mundo to. And the experience natin yet together. Today was just a bad day. You know what? Malapit na mag-Christmas. Gusto ko lang na mag-celebrate at mag-enjoy peacefully with you and Naomi. Just us being together.
Okay. Okay. Let's make the most out of it. Together.
Merry Christmas.
Wait. What's this?
Open it.
Naomi as a third person.
My dream heels! Love!
I hope someday you can wear those on the runway.
Ate, bagay sa'yo yan.
Di ba?
Thank you, love. Okay. So, here's my gift. To always remind you na I'm always here for you throughout your whole journey. Malayo pa, pero malayo na yun na rin.
Thank you, love.
Sige. Okay.
Oh, that looks good on you, kuya. Diba? Yeah.
I like it.
Of course, we have a gift for my favorite sister. Open, open. Oh, really? A photography book? No way! I'll read this every day, ate. And when I get better, I'll take your modeling portfolio. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Masaya lang. Tapos parang, oh.
Cheers! Cheers! Wow, you really look like a model, ate. You know, I've been learning a lot from the book that you gave me. I hope I can do justice in the shoot.
Alam niyo, gusto ko lang siya panoorin ganyan, yung moments nila. Kasi, for sure, next week, ko pa napapanood tong first time ko lang mapapanood, pero I foresee it na next week na yung masakit and heartbreaking ba?
See? You can really be a professional model one day. Really? Yeah! I've been watching videos online and it seems like you're working.
Wow, grabe. Alam mo, hindi kita kilala. Mapapagkamalan talaga itang supermodel.
Yeah, look at this, kuya.
Alam niyo yung naka-heels na si Aubrey pero matangkad pa rin si Lance.
Okay, your turn, Kuya. Ikaw naman. Kuya! Yeah. Pose for her. Okay, go, 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 go. I want to see your poses. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go. Wow! Pwede na din ha. Pwede na mag-top model.
Doon po, tawan-tawa. Tawan-tawa. Pinakatawa-tawa talaga. Oh, ikaw naman.
What? Yeah. Wait, no,
It's your turn.
no, sorry. Photographer, no. Take the photo. Selfie na lang tayo.
Let's just get something.
So, you're going home tomorrow? I don't even know if I could call that house my home. I'm sorry. I know the feeling. Well, andito naman yung house namin whenever you need a safe space to go to. Did you move out of that house to get away from me? What? No. I moved out kasi mas malapit yung condo ko sa school. And I thought, baka mas comfortable ka kung wala ako sa bahay. The truth is, when you moved out, it felt harder to breathe in that house. Hindi ko rin maintindihan ng sarili ko.
Ang dami na lang misunderstandings nung kapatid niya. And
anger. But when you went away, I felt fear. I felt scared. That night on my birthday, I didn't know why I texted you. My hands moved before I could even think. But you made the right choice. It was actually one of the few things I did that led me to good things. I want to go there. Where? To the moon. Or just beside it. I want to be one of the stars.
oh my God, hindi ko yata kaya yung next episode
You shine bright in my eyes, Naomi. Like a star. Do you think there's pain there, Ate? I'm not sure. But I hope there's not. Thank you for making me happy. Even for a short period of time. Of course. I'll be here with you as you go through your healing process. May this year be a wonderful year for both of us. I hope so, Ate. I really do. Naomi, why do you want that? What do you mean? To be one of the stars.
para wala ng pain.
Jealous. I'm gonna shine bright like a star. Look at that star. It gives you hope, right? The light it emits amidst the darkness gives you hope
Alam niyo yung sobrang simple lang nung pag-uusap nila dito, pero
to look as pretty
kung nabasa niyo yung book, alam niyo na yung mangyayari right after nito.
it gives them. You look as pretty as that star. No, you look prettier. You have this radiance that no star could ever give. When I'm with you, I don't really think about hope. I think about how blessed I am to have a sister like you in my life.
Naparamdam naman ni Sam bago mawala si Naomi.
Yeah. So I wish you could see hope in me too. I'll be your star. A star doesn't necessarily have to be in the sky to shine, right? You're here on the ground, but I'll be here with you. You don't have to look up anymore. Just look for me, and I'll be here. I'll always be here.
Pin-
This way. Oh,
10, 9,
8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Hmm.
Happy New Year. Sweet niyo naman. Happy New Year, Alessandro Biden. I'm so thankful to start this year with you.
Hmm.
4 years to spend together. I'm claiming it. This will be a good year for all of us. Oh, wait. Picture with that. Okay, try it.
Ang saya pa nila dito.
Cheers! You're graduating soon. Congrats, Sam. Thank you. You know what? I'm so excited, but I'm definitely going to miss my friends. Well, I might have some news that might make leaving school a little easier. What is it? It's a night of models. They loved your portfolio. They're gonna sign you. Wait, what? Are you serious? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, Giselle. I know. They're gonna call you. Oh my gosh.
They're gonna call you.
I don't know. Is this really happening? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Yes. They want to fly you to Singapore so you can sign the contract and then they'll launch you some website.
So ito yung binago nila. Instead of going to New York,
So happy.
nagpunta sila ng Singapore, which is, ito pala yung dahilan kung bakit nandun sila sa Singapore noong mga nakaraang araw. Ito pala yun.
Hi. You won't believe it. I got the offer. The agency's going to sign me down. I really can't believe this. I'll call you later, okay? Yeah. Bye. Cheers.
Nice, nice.
Congratulations, Sam. Sam? Hi, this is my daughter Sam, and this is Clyden Ramirez, the heir to Ramirez Medical. Fiancé na sila.
What a young, lovely couple. Kailan ang kasal?
Mid next year. Don't worry, I'll send you the invites.
Next year? Wala pa naman kami sinaset na date.
Wow. I'm sure it will be a grand wedding.
Oh, of course, ako pa. It'll be the wedding of the year, or maybe the wedding of the century.
Wow.
So excited. Can you talk? Excuse me, my daughter has her glasses.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Sure. This way.
What do you mean na mid next year na yung wedding?
You already picked a date without asking us first. Yes. Clyden is graduating next year, remember? And it's so hard to prepare for a wedding. Let me handle everything, okay? Just, please, pabayaan mo ako. Just cooperate, okay? We need to rush your wedding. Why? I don't want to rush my wedding. Mom, I want to do other things too. Well, you can do that after your wedding. We talked about this already, honey, right? I'm going to Singapore this weekend. I got hired by Zenaida Models. I'm going to Singapore to pursue modeling. Tama ba yung narinig ko? Maui? Why? Because it's what I want.
Eh, yun yung dream niya eh.
I've been working hard for this in the past year. No. No, of course not. You are not going to Singapore. You are going to call the agency and you're going to tell them that you are not signing. I am not going to call them. No way. No, this is what I want to do. You can't continue controlling my life. Graduate na ako. I can decide for myself. Oh, and I cannot be your mother? Who's just worried for you, right? Do you even know the kind of industry you're entering? It's a ruthless world out there, Maui. They will chew you up and they will spit you out. And what do you want me to do? Ang isunod-sunuran na lang sa inyo? How will I ever grow and become my own person kung buong buhay ko, susundin ko lang kayo? My life is my own too.
Excuse me.
Marlene, can you please just be useful to us just this once?
Grabe yung mga lines. Like, guys, hindi ako magaling mag-memorize ng mga lines sa books, pero I know, yan yun. Just be useful for once. Like,
You want to be a mother? Fine. You can be a mom. That's what you want? But make sure, Marlene, you become famous. A very, very famous mother. Alam mo na magamit ka. Para sa posisyon ng dad mo. That's right, sweetheart. You can pursue your dream at the same time. Makakatulong ka sa campaign ng dad mo.
huh?
You just have to be
Nakakaloka naman to.
very famous. You're unbelievable. No.
Alam ko dito yun eh. Dito nag-start yun.
Hey. Don't listen to her. You're worth more than what she said. So just focus on doing things for yourself, okay?
Aww.
Can you just come live with me? I can't stand thinking about you being stuck in this house, dealing with them all alone.
Kaya ko pa naman. Besides, I've been taking your advice. I'm doing regular therapy sessions. So I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. Here, sa'yo na to. Magiging okay ka naman, di ba?
Of course. I need to be strong. I have to set an example for you, and I know you look up to me.
This is what the eldest always feel about. Oh, nag-English. Yung kailangan mong maging strong despite sa mga nararamdaman mo. So, I know yung mga eldest dyan, yung mga panganay, alam niyo yung nararamdaman ni Samantha.
Hey, I'm so proud of you. I
Aww.
know that wasn't easy.
It's because of you. You made me realize that I have a voice. I was always a teenage child with no opinions for myself, so
Nakakakilig. Uy!
Okay? You've always had it in you, Maui.
I still have a lot to prove to them.
Alam niya mahirap din pagka nonchalant yung character. Pero, at the same time, napaflaunt talaga ng mga lalaki yung pag gano'n. Wala masyado sinasabi. Kasi masyado madaldal. Hello, Sevi.
Pero ang hirap. Ayaw kita umalis eh.
Say, 4 days lang naman.
I know. Pero kahit pa gaano kalapit yan, or kahit 4 days lang yan, I'm still gonna miss you. So much. Pero kailangan. Sabay natin abutin mga pangarap natin. Diba?
Let's reach our goals together.
Aww. Sana all. Sa Clark to. Sa Clark siya nag-shoot. Parang yung sa Safe Skies Archer. Sa Clark din yun eh. So, maganda kasi yung airport dun compare sa Naiya.
Mag-ingat ka dun, ha? Okay. Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just feeling scared. What if I get lost? What if I miss my meetings?
What if they don't like me? What if they change their minds?
Hey, listen to me. Hey, first of all, stop overthinking. They're going to love you. You're going to be amazing. You got this.
I got this. I was born for this.
Yun naman pala eh.
Thank you sa paghatid, ha?
Ba't tayo nalulungkot?
Because I'm gonna miss you.
Kasama mo siya.
But it's the longest 4 days of my life.
Sige na. You're gonna miss your flight.
You're doing well, so well, Sam.
Ingat ka dun, ha?
Pero susunod ka rin siya eh.
Hello? Here you go, miss.
Siyempre, hindi siya papayag na ay niya mamiss eh.
But how? Hindi ka ba busy sa church?
I have 5 days before clerkship starts. I want to spend every...
Sana all.
Nalas mo talaga ako, no?
Ano ba nga ta? Pensya na, ha?
Wait,
Surprise nga eh.
Don't worry about that.
thank you for coming. Sorry.
So, ito nga yung napalitan. Imbes na New York, Singapore lang.
Trip together. We're gonna have so much fun!
And that's the end of my reaction video. And grabe guys, sobrang galing ni Derek. Like, ito talaga yung nasa book. Actually, lahat ng directors, ng mga naging directors nung past universe series, hinango talaga nila yung yung mga tao dun sa libro. Gets niyo ba? If you know what I mean. Pero padating na tayo sa heartbreaking at exciting part ng story ni Sam. Pero ayun nga guys, thank you sa mga nanonood ng vlogs ko sa mga 42 views, 52 views. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. And I hope you watch more on my vlogs. And ayun guys, see you on my next vlog. Bye!